It's important to keep the windows down when it's so hot outside. So I think the plan each day is I'm gonna edit last night's video in the morning, and then that way. Basically, when I was doing my TikTok videos, I did like 120 something in a row, and some of those videos would take about 6 hours to build. And then I had to edit it as well. So if I was out during the day, it was a real stress to try and rush back here to the workshop, build the thing, edit the video, and then try and get it published before midnight. And I did that every day for 128 days. And I did it, but it was not easy. And so now I think the solution is to edit yesterday's video the next day, and then it's just ready when it's ready. I have a whole day to publish, so. Every morning I get one of these from GR Eggs.
Okay guys, one of my favorite places to go is this place called GR Eggs.
This is the best tea ever. I have no idea what tea bag they use. Oh wait, I can find out. Let me Google it. It's not on their website. Birchall's breakfast tea, apparently. Alright, I found it. I'm buying some. I'm gonna get some. They'll be here tomorrow on a drone. Thanks, Jeff. I've wasted more than enough time today. I have work to do. Do you remember yesterday how I was saying that every day is like exactly the same, so it's kind of boring? Today I have to make just more white primed MDF cabinets, so I don't know how much of that I'm gonna film. Maybe I'll show the end product instead. We're delivering it tomorrow. I've been running out of storage for my materials. This is completely full. And then this shouldn't even really be here, but all of this is brand new stock that just came in. And then because I had no more room, I had to stack it on this table. But I just realized that I need that sheet right there, that one. So I've got to take off all this stuff now. I have some special requests today. This one from Dad. He wants me to repair his shovel. So I already glued the handle back together. It's completely split down the middle. And then we need, he wants plywood triangles to fix the pond. So I'm gonna have to dig out some plywood from this mess, and we'll make some triangles. It's that time of the day when I've got to go and pick up Maya. She's going swimming this evening and we want to go and look at the Degree show in Bath. I feel like being late for things is the theme of my life. I'm in so much traffic right now. You can see the old triangles all busted apart here. So I'm just gonna get some, oh hi, how you doing? Scared me. I made it, I'm only 3 minutes late, but it looks like Maya is even later than I am, which is good. How many followers did you just get on TikTok?
10,000 followers.
10,000 followers on TikTok. All right. These sandwiches are not real. This is the Degree show for art and design at Bath Spa. I studied here, I did product design, but this Degree show is just miles better than the one that I was a part of. The quality is way, way higher. They did a really good job. This is my course, this is furniture and product design. I know some of these guys. Done some really good work. This is Bo's work, and this is my favorite. This is the standout one because I really like when a product looks like it was manufactured, but it was all made by hand, because it shows real precision in the ability of the maker. I don't think those ones are going to be edible. I think it's like a book signing for like a celebrity or something. Maya's just in the swimming pool. Last time I tried to film her, I got into loads of trouble, so probably not going to try this time.